Okay guys, we are here back on the property. It's starting to be summertime, but it's a little chilly at the moment, so I'm anxiously waiting for the hot weather, even though if it gets too hot I might regret saying this. This is the first unboxing of the summer season, and we are planning on doing a really cool outdoor shower. We have to figure out the system, like what we want to do, how we want to orchestrate it. Obviously, there's a million different ways to make a shower. But shout out OKMO, OKMO. I could be saying that wrong. This is a battery that was sent to me, and we're going to put it to the test. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it to the test, and we're going to take this battery. Let's see. I guess I'll get it out real quick, and then I will show you what I want to do with it. This might fly away. Okay. Oh, this is cute. This makes it easy. Alright, nothing in the box. This is what it looks like right here. Okay. Sweet. So let's look at details here. Now, I'm not exactly the best one, to explain batteries. My battery tech is the lovely cameraman. But we have this battery that's going to, basically, we're going to try to do, the pump with this one? We're going to have this one fuel the pump that gives us running water for our shower. So that's the plan and the idea. This is what we're going to put it to the test. But I'll show you, we're thinking we might get a little bit more creative with it, but at the moment, this is the basic prototype, like tiny home, tiny house structure, for future like Airbnbs on the property. I was thinking maybe like a teepee would be really cool. Realistically, this is not going to be, whenever we get this hooked up, it's not going to be the aesthetic, like set in stone way we're going to make the shower. Obviously, we'll with each Airbnb that we try to put together, we'll make it super, what do they call the word? Feng shui or something. We'll give it a homier feeling, but this will be just like the system tryout, just to see if this battery is going to operate and do what we would like it to do for the shower. So yes, very excited about that. Well, look at you down here. OMG, goodness. Okay, Jenna, I'm trying to show this cool battery here. We're only scratching the surface here. This is definitely going to be a wild, long summer with lots of work to do. Right, Jen? We'll be putting this to the test. I'll have a link below if you want to check it out. Go do your research, see if this is something you want to do for your maybe future projects. More videos to come. Can't wait. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining.